Assalamu alaikum, class 1. Here is the unit number 7 and the unit name is movement. You can see it on page number 65. Forces, energy and machines. We will learn about the forces and machines and energy in this chapter, in the movement chapter. And you know one is very interesting question for you in this lesson. So be ready. You need to give the answer of that question because you have already learned about that things which I'll ask you at the end of the lesson. Movement. You know what the movement is? Everything in the world can move. Living things can move by on their own. You are living things, you can go. If you want to go somewhere, you can go. You not need any kind of force कि जो आपको मूव करे. आपको कोई मोटर नहीं चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर आप गाड़ी को देखें तो उसको एक जगह से दूसरे का मूव करने के लिए इंजन की फोर्स चाहिए. अगर आप अपने घर में जो वॉशिंग मशीन है उसको देखें तो वो अपने आप मूव नहीं करती. हालांकि वो घूमती है, कपड़ों को धोती है, लेकिन वो खुद ब खुद मूव नहीं कर सकती अनटिल और अनलेस हम उसको एनर्जी ना दे, हम उसको इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स ना दे. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद वो मूव करती है. उसके बाद और भी जितनी चीजें आपके इर्द गिर्द है जो कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है, दी कैन नॉट मूव बाय ऑन देयर ऑन. अच्छा, अब मूवमेंट होती किस तरह से? समटाइम्स वी पुश द थिंग्स and sometimes we pull the thing. So this pushing and pulling, these are the two forces we use to move the things around us. Now look at this picture. Everybody is moving. This man is pushing the baby, and this boy is pushing the bicycle. This lady is first of all pulling the swing towards herself. वो अपनी तरफ पुल करती है swing को, उसके बाद उसको push करती है, and वो जो swing है वो move करती है. So they are kicking or pushing the ball. The boys are playing with the ball and they're pushing, they're kicking the ball. So everybody is moving. These trees are living things. So they are moving upward, but they are moving by on their own. Nobody is pushing the force. Nobody is pulling. Nobody is pushing. कोई शख्स भी इनके ऊपर फोर्स नहीं लगा रहा. अब ये जो मैन है, ये चूंकि लिविंग थिंग है, ये खुद ब खुद मूव कर रहा है. लेकिन ये लिविंग थिंग नहीं है तो इसको वो खुद मूव कर रहा है, उसको पुश कर रहा है. इसको ये बॉय जो है वो पुश कर रहा है. बाइसिकल को बॉय पुश कर रहा है. नाउ लुक एट दिस. सो when we want to move something, we need to provide the force. हमें फोर्स लगानी पड़ती है और वो फोर्स हम दो तरह से यूज करते हैं. या तो हम चीजों को अपनी तरफ पुल करते हैं. when you need to open the door, sometimes you open the door by pulling towards yourself. आप उसको अपनी तरफ पुल करते हैं दरवाजे को. आपने देखा होगा कि लिखा होता है pull it, आप उसको पुल करते हैं. sometimes दरवाजा या डोर है वो इस तरह से बना होता है कि उसके ऊपर लिखा होता है push it, तो आप इसको push करते हैं. So these are two forces you use to move the things, and you need to remember two things. There are two kind of forces, pushing and pulling. So by using these two forces, you can move everything. Living things can move by on their own, and the non-living things need the force to move somewhere. And if we'll see page number 66, you can see picture number A. What kind of force this lady is using to move the wheelchair? Pushing. Yes, she is pushing the wheelchair to move the man. What kind of force? In the picture number D, this man is using it to get the fish. Yes, he's pulling the fish out. What kind of force? In the picture C, this man is using while getting this briefcase with himself. He's pulling the briefcase, and this man is also pulling the horse. So you can see pushing, pulling. These forces are moving the things. You will see on page number 67, here are some kind of movement is going on. All the things are living things here. So you can say you can see that they are moving by on their own. All the living things are moving, but they are moving on their own. there are different words we use for the different kind of movement, like crawl, hop, fly, swim. So fish is swimming, the bird is flying, the baby is crawling, they are jogging, galloping, the horse is galloping, and the lion and the tiger, they are also moving by on their own. They are not using any kind of machines and any kind of force, because they all are living things. But here we saw that these are the non-living things. This is non-living thing, this is non-living things, and these two, this is the lady and the man, they are using the force to get them out, to get them moved. Or the interesting questions which I said that, have you read about these kind of movements somewhere else? आपने इससे पहले ये वाली जो मूवमेंट्स हैं, इनकी जो डिफरेंट नेम्स है, किसी और लेसन में पढ़े थे? नहीं याद आ रहा ना? मैं आपको याद करवाती. Look at page number 12. Here are the different kinds of movement we have discussed. Here are the same words: pull, jump, sing, kick, hold, stretch, walk. So always remember what you have already learned. आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि हम जो नया नॉलेज है वो असिमिलेट करते हैं, वो ब्रिज करते हैं अपने प्रीवियस और पुराने इल्म के ऊपर. So you need to remember that what you have already learned. So I am bridging the gap. मैं बार बार आपको बताती हूँ कि आपने पहले लेसन में ये बात पढ़ी थी और इसी से रिलेटेड ये बात है. तो आपने देखा कि आपने पेज नंबर 12 पे, जहाँ पे हमने 5 सेंसेस को पढ़ा था, उसके अंदर आपने मूवमेंट को पढ़ा था, और अब यूनिट नंबर 7 में आप वही मूवमेंट को दोबारा से स्टडी कर रहे हैं. इज इट इंटरेस्टिंग? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.